Yes, students, good morning and welcome to the class. Yes, today we are going to start with a new, it's a play, छोटा सा एक play है, एक story है, जिसे एक drama की form में यहाँ दिया है with very, we can say very amazing kind of characters. And the name of the play, you can see it's written on the screen, it's written the Browning version. Okay, it's written by Terence Rattigan. Now, this Browning version is a very big, we can say it's a kind of a novel, जैसे एक पूरी book है जिसमें बहुत बड़ा play है, उसमें से एक छोटा सा excerpt आपको यहाँ पे one section उसमें से एक extract करके आपको यहाँ पे इस play की form में दिया गया. Now you all know जब भी हम कोई play पढ़ते हैं, कोई drama पढ़ते हैं, it is always set up in a particular sequence, because if you want to enact it on a stage, अगर आप उसको stage पे enact करना चाहते हो on any occasion or just for an activity at your place, तो आपको पूरा का पूरा एक सीन उस तरह से क्रिएट करना पड़ता है that it's very clear कि वो क्या है, पूरा आपको ऐसा महसूस हो कि जैसे yes as such पूरा प्ले ही आप देख रहे हो. So the scene that is created, तो उसके लिए if you read out somewhere, अगर आप कहीं पे प्ले पढ़ रहे हो तो you need to know about how the stage is going to look like. Now see, ये जो scene है, इसमें जो first scene start हो रहा है, it's set in a school. Frank is a young and Crocker Harris middle-aged. Both are masters. Frank क्या है? वो young है. Crocker Harris एक बहुत ही middle-aged है और दोनों के दोनों क्या है? Both are masters. Now Tableau is a boy of 16 who has come in to do extra work for Crocker Harris. But the letter has not yet arrived and Frank finds Tableau waiting. Now it's about a boy whose age is 16 years old. Boy है वो. His name is Tableau. ना उसके साथ क्या होता है, स्कूल में वो किसी क्लास के लिए पहुंचता नहीं है और आइदर वी कैन से कि उसकी कुछ क्लास डिले हो जाती है. फॉर दैट एज अ पनिशमेंट ही इज आस्क्ड बाय हिज टीचर टू कम एंड डू द एक्स्ट्रा वर्क फॉर हिम बिकॉज हिज रिजल्ट्स आर सून गोइंग टू बी अनाउंस्ड एंड अगर वो एक्स्ट्रा वर्क नहीं करता है तो ही विल नॉट बी प्रोवाइडेड विद द रिजल्ट्स. सो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ ब्राइब वी कैन से, जो एक टीचर एक डिमांड कर रहा है एक स्टूडेंट से, एंड फॉर दैट एक्स्ट्रा वर्क टैपलो वहां पे आए हैं. किनसे मिलने? क्रॉकर हैरिस से. एंड फ्रैंक यंग है बट क्रॉकर हैरिस मिडिल एज है, दोनों के दोनों टीचर्स हैं. टैपलो 16 years old, ऑलमोस्ट एक बॉय है, हु हैज कम इन टू डू एक्स्ट्रा वर्क फॉर क्रॉकर हैरिस. बट क्रॉकर हैरिस नहीं पहुंचते हैं एंड फ्रैंक ऑलरेडी इज देयर एंड ही फाइंड्स दैट टैपलो इज वेटिंग ओवर देयर. एंड मैक्सिमम पार्ट ऑफ द प्ले जो है वो किसके बीच की कन्वर्सेशन है? इट्स बिटवीन फ्रैंक एंड टैपलो. So see, do I know you? Now Frank says, do I know you? क्या मैं आपको जानता हूँ? No sir. What's your name? Taplo. Taplo. No, I don't. You are not a scientist, I gather. No sir, I am still in the lower fifth. I can't specialize until next term, and that's to say if I have got to my remove. All right. Don't you know if you have got your remove or not? No sir, Mr. Crocker Harris doesn't tell us the results like other masters. उन्होंने बोला. Now when Frank says and puts up a question and Frank asks that do I know you? क्या मैं आपको जानता हूँ? He says no sir, you don't know me. So he says okay, but what's your name? He says my name is Taplo. He says okay, your name is Taplo. I don't remember anyone with this name. So I gather that you are not a scientist. Right? So he says no sir, I am not a scientist. I am still in my lower fifth standard and I can't just specialize until next term. And that's to say if I have got to my remove. और वो भी मैं बोलूंगा that I can't specialize in my next move, next term, जब तक मुझे मेरा remove नहीं मिलता. remove is you know what? remove क्या चीज होती है? remove जैसे आपको अपना एक जो results मिलते हैं you can say, तो that kind of thing उसको यहाँ पे क्या कहा जाता है? remove. remove is that is you are removed from your this present standard and you are promoted to for specialization in your next standard. So if I have got my remove, all right. Don't you know if you have got your remove? उन्होंने बोला don't you know? तुम्हें नहीं मालूम that have you got your remove or not? He says no sir. Crocker Harris doesn't tell us the result like the other masters. Now at this point he is just making him realize कि Crocker Harris was a person who was a man of great principles. And he says कि जो उनके principles हैं, जो उनके उसूल है, वो उनको किसी के लिए नहीं छोड़ते. So he says, वो बोलते हैं कि नो, आप बाकी टीचर्स सब अपना रिजल्ट्स पहले आउट कर देते हैं, डिक्लेयर कर देते हैं, बट मिस्टर क्रॉकर हैरिस जब तक उन्हें परमिशन नहीं होगी, परमिशन ऑफ हू? द परमिशन ऑफ वी कैन से द प्रिंसिपल और द हेड ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तब तक वो रिमूव किसी को नहीं बताते. ही डजंट टेल्स अस द रिजल्ट लाइक द अदर मास्टर्स. नाउ दिस वे उन्होंने बोला ओके सो ऐसा है. सो फ्रैंक सेज व्हाई नॉट, क्यों नहीं. वेल यू नो व्हाट ही इज लाइक सर. I believe there is a rule that form result should only be announced by the headmaster on the last day of term. Yes, but who else pay attention to it except Mr. Crocker Harris? I don't, I admit, and that's not the criteria. So he says that you have got to wait until tomorrow to know your fate. Have you? So he says, yes, sir, because mere paas I don't have any other option left. So yes, I have to wait till tomorrow. And supposing the answer is unfavorable, what then? Fir, oh, sir, science, of course. Now he says, why not? उन्होंने बोला वेल यू नो सर व्हाट ही इज लाइक. आप जानते हैं कि वो कैसे हैं, उनका क्या बिहेवियर है. आई बिलीव देयर इज अ रूल दैट फॉर्म रिजल्ट्स should only be announced by the headmaster on the last day of the term. उन्होंने बोला I believe, मैं ऐसा believe करता हूँ, there is a rule, कि एक rule है that form results should only be announced by the headmaster on the last day of the term. उन्होंने बोला Frank says that yes I believe, कि ऐसा उनका मानना है that there is a rule, एक rule होता है that result will only be announced by the headmasters and that too when on the last day of the terms. So we all know that Mr. Crocker Harris is a very rule bound person, तो वो कभी भी rule break नहीं करते हैं. Taplow says yes, but who else pays attention to it except Mr. Crocker Harris? He says I don't, मैं तो नहीं करता, and I admit that very openly. And but he says that that's not the criteria. So what you have to do? Wait karo. Now nothing. You don't have any option left. Just wait until tomorrow. Dekho, let's see what your fate says. Have you? So he says yes, sir. Now Frank says, suppose the answer is favorable. What then? Oh, science, sir, of course. उन्होंने बोला कि अच्छा, okay, tell me. Now, if you have a result that is favorable for you, then what? Then which subject you are going to opt for? He says, no doubt, I am going to opt for science, of course. And very sadly, he says, yes, we get all the slackers. Now, Frank is saying, yes, very true. हमें तो सारे कौन से मिलते हैं? We get all the slackers, those who are left behind. हमारे पास तो सभी वो आते हैं. Taplow protestingly says, I am extremely interested in science, sir. Rather, इसके अलावा और कोई वो नहीं है. That if I score good marks, then only I am going to go to science. I am interested in science, and this is the main logic behind it. And are you? He says, Frank says, are you? I am not. Not at least in the science I have to teach. वो कहते नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Not at least in the science I have to teach, but well, anyway, sir, it's a good deal more exciting than this muck. Now indicating a book, he just says कि sir देखो, this subject is quite interesting than these mucks. Mucks is a kind of book, सिर्फ textual book होती है ना, मोटी मोटी, same like that. So he says indicating that book, he says this is a muck. Now he says what is a muck? Muck क्या होता है? He says it's Aeschylus. Muck is what? Muck is an Aeschylus, that is Agamemnon. And now he says, and you consider view is that the Agamemnons are muck. वो कहते हैं कि ये Agamemnon है. Do you think that this is a muck sort of book? Well, no, sir. I don't think the play is muck. Now जो plays होते हैं, जो dramas होते हैं, you can say that can be tragedies हो सकती है, or you can say कुछ logical fact oriented हो सकते हैं. तो जो plays होते हैं, these are known as mucks. ठीक है. So he says कि I don't think that the play is muck exactly. I suppose in a way. And ये rather क्या है? It's a good plot. प्लॉट बहुत अच्छा है. रियली अ वाइफ इज मर्डरिंग हर हस्बैंड एंड ऑल दैट. नाउ दिस इज अ रियली इंटरेस्टिंग प्लॉट, ऐसा यहाँ पे टैप्लो का कहना है. सो आई जस्ट कांट कॉल दिस इंटरेस्टिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ प्ले को मैं मक बोल दूं. इट्स नॉट ओके, एंड आई ओनली मेंट द वे इट्स ऑट टू अस. Just a lot of Greek words strung together and 50 lines if you get them wrong. He says, देखो, रीजन ये है that we only meant the way it is taught to us. हो सकता है बहुत बोरिंग हो सकता है बहुत लेंदी हो, बट इफ इट्स taught in an interesting way, you just can't call it muck. सिर्फ आप उसकी लेंथ देख के, आप उस बुक की देख के कि that this is such a heavy book with so many pages, such a long text, and this is boring, this is going to be an uninteresting thing, it's quite wrong. ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है. The thing is, the thing दिखने में हो सकता है you might find it too boring, but हो सकता है जब आप उसको पढ़ो, the way it's taught to you, it becomes interesting. And just a lot of Greek words strung together and 50 lines if you get them wrong. He says now just a lot of Greek words are there, they all are strung together. 50 lines if you get them wrong. 50 lines का है. Now you can just imagine 50 lines. It's quite much. और Greek words all together. ये अपने आप में सच में कहीं ना कहीं पे जाके अगर ढंग से समझाया नहीं जाएगा, it's going to be a difficult one. You sound a little bitter, Tableau. Now Frank says तुम बहुत थोड़े से bitter sound कर रहे हो. That is तुम जो बोल रहे हो, it's हम बोलते हैं ना कि खरे शब्द बोल देना, जैसे कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स बोल देना जिसे हम आप एक बिटर टेस्ट की चीज कह सकते हो. तो वो बोल रहा है आई एम रादर सर kept in. No sir, extra work on the last day of the school. Now Frank says you sounds little bitter, Tableau. Is there any problem? Tableau says yes, I am rather sir. So he says what? Why have you kept in here? तुम यूं क्यों आए हो? तो तुम्हें रोका गया है यहाँ पे? He says no sir, मुझे रोका नहीं गया है. I have come here for the extra work. Frank says on the last day of the school you are called here for extra work. I just can't understand. Now Tableau says yes, sir, and I might be playing golf. And you would think he would have enough to do anyway himself, considering he's leaving tomorrow for good. But oh no, I missed the day last week when I was ill. So here I am, and look at the weather, sir. Now, कह रहे yes, sir, and I might be playing golf. मैं अगर यहाँ नहीं आता, तो what would I have been doing at this moment? I would have been playing golf. And you would think that he had enough to do away himself, consider करते हुए that he is leaving tomorrow for good. But oh no, I missed a day last week, and when I was ill, so here I am, and look at the weather, sir. Weather देखो sir, it's damn too bad. Bad luck. Still there's one comfort. वो कहते हैं it's quite bad luck. But a comfort है that you are pretty well certain to get your remove tomorrow for being a good boy in taking an extra work. उन्होंने बोला देखो, look at the weather, it's bad. But your luck is not that bad, because if you find, so you can see that there is one thing that can comfort you also. That being a good boy and taking in all the extra work given to you by your teacher, you are present here. And for this effort of yours, you are definitely going to get your remove tomorrow. And this is pretty well certain thing. Now Tableau says, well, I am not so sure, sir. And that would be true to the ordinary masters, all right. They just wouldn't dare not to give a chap a remove after taking his extra work. But those sorts of rules do not apply to the Mr. Crocker Harris. I asked him yesterday outright if he would have given me a remove, and do you know what he said, sir? Know what? Tableau says, well, sir, I am sure. For what he was sure, किस चीज के लिए sure थे वो? He's saying that I am sure that this would be a true of ordinary masters, all right. ठीक है, कोई normal ordinary कोई भी teacher होता, the thing would have been all right. But you know what? They just would not dare to give a chap a remove. वो नहीं देते. Not a single boy is going to get a remove even after taking extra work. उसके बाद में भी नहीं मिलता. But those sort of rules don't apply to the Croc. बट इस तरह के जो रूल्स है, ये जो क्रॉकर हैरिस थे, इन पे अप्लाई नहीं करते. एंड ही इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू गिव मी माय रिमूव बिकॉज आई आस्क्ड हिम यस्टरडे आउटराइट that sir, if I am going to do the extra work, are you going to give me the remove? And do you know what he says? उन्होंने क्या कहा? उन्होंने बोला मुझे कैसे पता होगा, तुम बताओ. And imitating his very gentle voice, rather throaty voice, उनकी ना गले में बहुत हैवी आवाज होती है ना, वैसी भारी भारी आवाज थी. That is known as throaty voice. उसके अंदर जस्ट इमिटेटिंग अ वेरी जेंटल वे, उनकी नकल करते हुए उसी तरह की आवाज निकाल के वैसे ही एक्सप्रेशंस देके इन एन इमिटेटिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ वे ही सेज, माय डियर टैप्लो, आई हैव गिवन यू एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू डिजर्व. उन्होंने बोला माय डियर टैप्लो, मैंने आपको क्या दिया है? एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू डिजर्व, जो आप डिजर्व करते हो, आई हैव गिवन यू दैट. No less and certainly no more. मैंने ना तो तुम्हें कुछ कम मार्क्स दिए हैं, and certainly मैंने ना तुम्हें कोई ज्यादा मार्क्स दिए हैं. Nothing less, nothing more. Now, do you know? I think he may have marked me down rather than up for taking extra work. उन्होंने बोला. Now टैप्लो कह रहा है, I know it very well. मुझे बहुत अच्छे से पता है कि इन्होंने ना कहीं पे मुझे कम मार्क्स दिए होंगे क्योंकि मैंने एक्स्ट्रा वर्क लिया है. He would have given me less marks rather than more marks. I mean, the man's hardly human. And मेरा मतलब है कहने का that this man is hardly human. ये बंदा human है ही नहीं. Now he says he breaks off quickly और वहां से जाता है. He says sorry sir, have I gone too far? Now he says sorry sir, have I gone too far? क्या मैंने ज्यादा बोल दिया? Because he says उन्होंने अपने टीचर के बोल दिया that मेरे टीचर तो इंसान ही नहीं है. The man is hardly human. Yes, much too far. He says yes. Far nahi, you have gone much too far. And sorry sir, I got carried away. He says sorry sir, I just got carried away. Evidently, he picks up a newspaper and opens it and he says, Taplo. Now, evidently, वो एक newspaper उठाते हैं. Just open it and just look at it. Yes, sir. What was that Crocker Harris said to you? Just repeat it, would you? उन्होंने बोला, see, what was that जो Crocker Harris ने आपसे कहा? Just repeat it, would you? My dear Taplo, I have given you exactly what you deserve. No less and certainly no more. उन्होंने बोला ओके रिपीट इट. क्या बोला उन्होंने ना उसकी वॉइस को इमिटेट करते हुए अपने ही टीचर की नकल उतारता हुआ क्या बोलता है. उन्होंने बोला माय डियर टैपलो, आई हैव गिवन यू एग्जैक्टली जो तुम डिजर्व करते थे. नो लेस एंड सर्टेनली नो मोर. नॉट इन द लीस्ट लाइक हिम. रीड योर नाइस Aeschylus and be quiet. Aeschylus, now he says looking severe, बहुत ही severe दिखते हुए उन्होंने बोला not in the least like him. And he says read. Yes, so he says that उसने अपने टीचर को इमिटेट किया and he says that my dear Taplo, I have given you exactly what you deserve. No less, certainly no more. Not in the least like him. Read your nice Aeschylus and be quiet. उसने बोला कि बहुत फ्रैंक ना ऐसे एक्ट कर रहा है जैसे एक टीचर को. नाउ बहुत ऑब्वियस चीज है, आप एक टीचर के सामने दूसरे टीचर की अगर नकल उतारे तो इज नॉट गोइंग टू ब्लेस यू और प्लीज यू कि वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छा किया, ऐसा नहीं है. तो ही सेज नॉट इन द लीस्ट लाइक हिम. Read your nice Aeschylus and just be quiet. With dislike, he says, Aeschylus? No, I am never going to read that. Now, Frank says, look, what time did Mr. Crocker Harris tells you to be here? 6:30, sir. उन्होंने बोला, look, Mr. Crocker Harris ने तुम्हें यहाँ किस समय आने के लिए कहा था? He says 6:30, sir. Well, he's 10 minutes late. Why don't you cut? You could still play golf before lockup. उन्होंने बोला, देखो तो well, he is 10 minutes late and why don't you cut? तुम चले जाओ यहाँ से, चले क्यों नहीं जाते? Why are you waiting? He is already 10 minutes late and you could still play golf before lockup. और आप लॉकअप खोलने से पहले स्टिल आप अपना गोल्फ खेल सकते हो. इट्स बेटर. सो डोंट वेस्ट द टाइम, गो एंड यूज इट. सो दिस वे वी कैन से इसको इसी पॉइंट पे, लॉकअप पॉइंट पे इसको अपन भी लॉकअप कर देते हैं एंड रिमेनिंग विल कंटिन्यू इट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. एंड बिगिनिंग से एक बार थोड़ा सा इसको रिवाइज करके एंड फिर कंटिन्यू करेंगे इसको. ठीक है? Okay, so this is all and now we'll be meeting in our next class and we are going to complete this break. So, okay, take care of yourself.